Imagine this machine as a giant, motorized toothbrush. The thick nylon bristles spin fast to strip away layers of packed dirt. The steel teeth swallow the wood easily to convert waste into clean garden mulch. Industrial crushers use massive torque instead of sharp blades to crush to break the heavy manhole cover. This circular surface washer uses high-pressure water jets to remove any type of dirt. The round housing stops filthy water from spraying all over the clean neighborhood walls. Measuring the liquid precisely ensures that every single customer receives the exact same amount. This machine is very important for removing trash from beach sand. Reducing the volume of trash makes transporting recyclables much more efficient. The automated turntable prevents spoilage by blocking moisture in air. This hydraulic plastering arm acts like a giant spatula to apply smooth mortar onto brick walls. This machine plasters perfectly, leaving the wall smooth for painting. Conveyor belts in food plants use automated mechanical arms to place exact portions of garnishes. This massive ring rolling machine shapes white-hot steel into seamless industrial bearings. This blue pellet mill compresses raw grains and green leaves into dense livestock feed. This cattle feed is very rich in nutrients. Automated stirrers mix scrambled eggs continuously to ensure even cooking throughout the large pan. This pharmaceutical counter uses vibrating lanes to align red pills before dropping them into bottles. Optical sensors track the speed to guarantee that no bottle leaves the factory short. Pre-shredded scrap melts up to 40% faster inside the furnace, saving energy and cutting production costs per ton. This fiber laser engraves high-resolution text onto black control boxes by burning the surface coating. Fiber laser engraving creates permanent marks that chemical cleaners, heat, and decades of use simply cannot erase. The mechanical arm applies uniform tension so the contents remain safe during rough shipping. This assembly line uses automated injection tubes to fill pen barrels with thick red ink. The machine immediately seals the rear end to prevent leaks when transporting pens. High torque at low speed tears steel apart without generating heat, keeping each metal alloy intact and pure for cleaner recycling downstream. This continuous winding machine spins tough paper rolls into sturdy cardboard tubes for packaging. This worker operates a giant injection molding press that shapes hot plastic into orange cones. Did you want a service like this? Answer me in the comments. Steel tracks on large excavators can weigh over 2 tons each, so they use a crane to avoid crushing the drive gears underneath. This heavy hydraulic press bends thick steel beams into custom shapes for bridge construction. The guide wheels control the winding pitch to ensure identical spring tension every time. The operator begins dismantling the chimney from top to bottom to prevent a catastrophic collapse on site. Rotating the extinguisher guarantees every curve and edge gets an identical coat of paint. This industrial conveyor machine gently moves thousands of fluffy yellow chicks through a sorting area. The smooth stainless steel lanes prevent injury as the young birds move toward feeding. The vacuum system pulls the packaging tight to ensure no airborne bacteria can enter. Every pull of that sugar mass traps more air inside, turning a thick amber syrup into a soft, airy candy that dissolves the second it hits your tongue. This sweet is a very tasty traditional dessert. Trimming excess plastic while the bucket is still warm allows one clean, effortless cut. This textile machine winds thousands of shiny gold threads onto separate industrial spools for weaving. This automated folding machine transforms plain brown paper sheets into sturdy shopping bags with handles. The rotating mechanical arms apply hot glue precisely to seal the bottom flaps securely. This rotary hammer forging machine shapes hot steel bars into durable automotive drive axles. This factory machine presses custom concrete roof tiles using a flat, automated mold block system. This massive tunnel shield machine breakthroughs a solid rock wall to complete a subway line. This offshore drilling rig uses automated iron roughnecks to connect heavy steel pipes together. The computerized system prevents dangerous joint leaks while working thousands of feet underwater. This automated machine applies yellow insulation labels onto thick orange high-voltage cables for safety. Tapping the edges while the hydraulic chain pulls slowly releases built-up metal tension, pulling the dent back to its original shape without stretching or cracking the steel. This concrete pipe cleaning tool uses high-pressure water to blast away thick blockages instantly. That smooth interior lining prevents wet mud from bonding to the truck bed, dropping tons of sticky material in seconds. This automated factory vehicle transports heavy airplane tires through a tight underground service tunnel. Suspending the entire upper body mid-air lets workers align it perfectly onto the undercarriage, because even a few millimeters off-center causes uneven wear across the whole machine. The safety mask protects the operator from inhaling dangerous dust particles during cleaning. That blade drops with enough force to shear through sheet metal in a single stroke, cleaner and faster than any handheld cutting tool. If these incredible machines surprised you, drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. This is how a chicken farm moves thousands of birds without touching any of them manually. Rubber fingers sweep chickens onto the belt without injury, since rigid metal at that speed would break bones and condemn the entire batch before processing.